Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and today I'm baking fish from my mom's kitchen for the first time. When I say first time, I mean I'm not cooking the first time, of course, but I'm cooking on the electric stove for the first time in her house because I'm so used to using the flame, the gas oven, the stovetop and the oven. That's I'm a little bit of nervous using the electric, but let's get started and let's see how it comes out. So over here in 2 spoons of olive oil, I have mixed turmeric powder, salt, paprika, and methi leaves, and cumin and coriander. And I'm just going to rub it on both sides of the fish. I just did the top side and now I'm going to do the bottom. And when both sides are evenly coated, I'm going to let it sit. So there you go. You see, I'm not using too much spice. Yeah. So just enough to marinate it for a little while. I will give it 30 minutes. If you want to add lemon zest to this mixture, you're most welcome to do it. I was out of lemons, so I didn't want to use the lime. So for a little bit of tangy flavor, you can use the lemon zest. Take 1 lemon, make the zest, add it to the spice mix, and just rub it on the fish. There you go. So there, you see both sides are done. It's nice. I'm saying nice because I smell the aroma, I smell it, the spice smells good, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed it will come out nice. It's not overly spiced, but it will taste very yummy. So this is the gas oven I'm about to use. It's neat and clean because it's my mom's. Mine is different. Mine is overworked and used and abused. Okay, so 350 it's going to be for 45 minutes. Then I will put 5 minutes to broil it. After 30 minutes, I'm going to check. I think 30 is okay. So while the fish is baking, I'm not peeling those potatoes. I'm just going to cut the small potatoes, each potato in 4 pieces, and chop some fresh garlic. And I'm using pepper flakes, salt, and crushed cumin seeds. That's it. 4 things: salt, red pepper flakes, olive oil, and crushed cumin seeds. And just press the garlic down and then just chop it finely. Or if you like chunks of garlic, it's okay. Otherwise, I'm going to chop it finely. There you go. That looks okay. All right, and crushing the cumin seeds. Okay, I'm not making a powder out of it, just crushed. These were like 4 big cloves of garlic, so I'm going to use a little more than half a teaspoon. Yeah. Okay, so let's put them in a baking dish, disposable dish. It's going in, and I will keep the same temperature, or you can give it 400, cover it. If you want them, one of my brother likes them while they still have a little bite to them, but the rest of us like them really cooked, good, soft potatoes. So fish is ready to go in. This one just came out. I did 4 fillets at a time, 3 and 4, but I don't want to overlap them. And it's a small tray in her oven, so 4 went really nicely. I have a few more to go. Looks pretty, right? There you go. Smells fantastic. So there was a little bit of oil that went on both sides of the fish. That's why I didn't stick that much. I took the spatula, the flat one, put it underneath and just lift it up. So I'm happy I didn't break it. And there you go. Baked potatoes. We have wings I made earlier. I have the baked fish and I have some onion and tomato salad. Let me know how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.